everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a continuation in our Thanksgiving side series, Candied Carrots. These are actually pretty good and, match the color of my sweater. So hopefully you guys will give this one a try. It's very easy. My mom made them from frozen carrots, so you can watch and see how she did that. And we'll put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we're continuing our Thanksgiving side dish series, and today is a candied carrots recipe. We're using frozen carrots, 2 bags of sliced carrots that were frozen from Walmart. We're cooking them according to bag instructions, which is kind of the same instructions as cooking in the recipe with carrots that weren't frozen. So I put in a cup of water per bag and then a teaspoon of kosher salt. We're using Redmond's real salt. And mix that up and let it boil for about 7 minutes. So that part is done. That's slightly different from the recipe. Again, I'm using the directions on the bag to make sure the carrots are cooked first. So I did that. Now we're going to add in the stuff for the glaze. So we need 1/4 cup packed brown sugar. We're using our Splenda Magic Baker 0-calorie keto brown sugar. So 1/4 cup of that goes in there. Then we're going to need another 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of salted butter. We're using Kerrygold. And then we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna put all that in here and then show you what it looks like. So once you've added all those ingredients, oh, and I forgot to mention a couple of turns of ground black pepper. So you put that in there and you let it, bring it to a boil, toss the carrots, every couple minutes or so, and set for about 5 minutes. We want the sauce to reduce down to a glaze. So once that is done, then we're going to put some more salt and pepper in it to taste and some parsley on the top and serve it. So not too hard, but pretty quick. All right, so we have done it to a glaze. We added some more salt and pepper and some parsley, stirred it up, and this is the finished product. So easy, quick, great side dish. You can do it on the stove, save you some oven space on Thanksgiving. Make it ahead, reheat when it's time. Totally up to you. But there it is, your candied carrots. Enjoy. Happy Monday. Bye.